Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about a off-page SEO techniques. As you know that in the previous class we have discussed about a on-page SEO techniques, but in this class we will discuss about a off-page SEO techniques. What are the techniques that are related to your off-page? And it is very important because 70% is work done with your off-page SEO techniques, but you have to create and work with off-page SEO with very attentive because maybe spamming and maybe your website ban if you use off-page SEO techniques illegally. So off-page SEO techniques, creating quality backlinks. So you can create a illegal way to create a backlinks using software or any other ways, but you have to create a quality backlinks. Backlinks means your link is existing on another website, another platform, that is a backlink for your website. So you have to create a backlinks on that website that are high ranking, like a Facebook, Twitter, such website. If have your backlink, that is very best one, and create backlinks on that website that are related are relevant to your website. Commenting, blog commenting, you can comment on any blog in which they offer to submit your website link, that may be but should be relevant blog. Forums are the platform where you discuss on any topics, so you can also use a forums to provide your website for further information. So guest posting, it is the best one. You create a backlinks and your website performance. Broken link building, it is another way to create a backlinks for your website. Social networking you can use to get more traffic, relevant traffic. It is a very best one and best factor if you want to improve your website and populate your website products, services, etc. You can use a social sites. Other is social bookmarking, content marketing, question answer. Some website like a Quora or Yahoo Answer, you can use that website to put question or give them an answer. You can use also such platform to create a backlinks because you can provide a link for your website for further information. So newsletter is also one best way to get a backlinks or a off-page SEO technique factor. So these are the factor you can follow to create a your off-page SEO. So these are the techniques you can follow for your off-page or off-site that will create a rank your website in the search engine. So meet in another class in which we will discuss about a best practice you have to follow if you want to produce a good rank for your website. If you have any question, any problem, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.